Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to forward emails into Basecamp. All right, so first up, log into your Basecamp account and open up a project. For example, this one, and then make sure that email forwards is available. If not, you can go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three dots, and then click on Setup Tools. Click on it, and then in here, make sure that, again, email forwards is toggled on. And once that's done, go back to YouTube project. Go back to your project or project's dashboard. Now in here, click on email forwards and then go ahead and go to the top left, click on forward and email in, and then just go ahead and click on copy to clipboard. Okay, it says here with this address, we won't have to ask you where to put your forward. It'll go directly into your project. And the first one right here, you can go ahead and use this one, but it just requires almost similar steps, but this one is what I prefer. Okay. We have copied this link. So what we'll do is that, for example, you have received an email. Okay, maybe just for example, this one. Okay, so what you'll do is open it up and then go ahead and forward it. Click on the three dots. Depending on your emailing service, you might want to look for the forward feature elsewhere. Okay, so this is Google or Gmail. So the forward feature is right here at the top right, and click on forward. Now in here, scroll down, it says here to. Now let's go ahead and right click and paste on the specific link or address that is given to us. And then once done, scroll down, review it, hit on send. All right, it says here, message sent. So what we'll do is just go ahead and go back to our project. Go back to right here, refresh if needed. And as you can see here under email forwards, you have this one, YouTube project sample milestone. Everyone right here in your team can comment on it. Just click on it, scroll down, you have the comment section. Okay. If you want your clients to see this one, you can go ahead and go to the top left, click on change, allow the client to see this too. Save changes, and you're good to go. That is it. But I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.